weather's so beautiful, hey? A little bit windy, but feeling great.
You know, this actually belonged to my sister, and she gave it to me.
It's getting really windy, so I attached the windscreen to the camera, and I don't need to worry anymore. About to start drawing on my board. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Alexandra and I make food vlogs. I'm here with my Nikon Z30. It gives me a creative space to explore my creativity. You can actually change lenses on this. There is a whole new ecosystem waiting for me to just explore. As a vlogger, I wanted to have a flip screen because I really want to see myself when I film. I really like the image quality that this camera brings. This camera also has really good autofocus, which is really important if you're a vlogger. If I want to focus on this camera, I can just press the screen and it will focus. Did you see how quick that went? Even if this camera is more professional, it is still very small and light, so it's very easy to hold in one hand. As you can see, this grip comes in very handy, and also to do it vertically. I can easily make professional videos and the outcome is also in 4K. At the back of the camera I also find an I button which easily takes me into the most important parts of the menu. Usually I prefer shooting manual, but auto mode is so good and it's perfect for vloggers that are just starting out. What is practical as well are the picture controls. I usually use the portrait mode because it makes my skin tone very soft, and that is one of the standard modes. There are also creative picture controls which I use all the time. I actually call them filters. With the SnapReach app I can easily transfer footage from my camera to my phone and even post to Instagram directly.